Sit Nogama and welcome to a quick review on Flameless remote candles. I want to share with you a product that has completely revolutionized the ambiance in my home. Flameless remote candles. The install is about 10 seconds. Let me start by sharing a little story. Last year I hosted a holiday party and I spent the whole evening worried about traditional candles and the open flame in my home. Thankfully, it made me realize there had to be a safer alternative. Enter flameless remote candles. These candles have become a game changer for me. There are 12 candles in a box, and each box comes with a remote control. Simply remove the clear plastic tab at the bottom of the remote. You need 2 AA batteries per candle. So unscrew the bottom of the candle now and insert the batteries. Position the bottom of the candle and then re-secure the bottom. These candles are made of a quality hard plastic with wax dripping on the side. This is an LED warm flickering light. These candles fit a 1-inch diameter candlestick. Another install trick, if they are wobbly in your candelabra, you simply add some plastic wrap around the body and insert for a snug fit. Let me tell you, the most difficult part about this install is getting the plastic wrap off the roll. One of the biggest benefits of these candles is their versatility, allowing me to place them anywhere in my home, whether it's on the dining room table during a dinner party, or on the mantelpiece for a relaxing evening, or even in the bathroom for a soothing bath. These candles add a touch of elegance to any room. Another great thing about flameless remote candles is the convenience they offer. With just a push of a button, I can control the lights. The remotes work for all the candles, so there are remotes in each room. If you're looking to create a magical and safe ambiance in your home, I highly recommend giving flameless remote candles a try. They bring all the benefits of traditional candles without any of the risks. So go ahead, transform your space and enjoy the warm glow of these beautiful candles. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. I highly recommend this product.